Hi everyone, it's Rachel here and I just want to welcome you back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be customizing these pajamas. My sister is going to be getting married in a couple of weeks and she purchased these for us to wear to take some super cute pictures before we put on our dresses. So what I'm going to do is on the pocket here, I'm going to be customizing by putting everyone's initial on their pajamas. So the size here for the pocket is going to be about 5 inches by no more than 4 inches. So I've got to keep that in mind when I'm cutting out everyone's letter. These were purchased from Shein, and if you've never gone to their website, they have some really great items and so many different clothing and stuff like that that you can get for a super great deal. So I definitely recommend their website if you're ever looking for some great deals. They have some really great stuff. The material that I'll be using is going to be everyday iron-on, and I'm also going to be using my power press for this. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Off camera, I went ahead and cut and weeded out my letters. I used my Cricut Joy for this project. So this font is called Charlie. I got it from DaFont. DaFont has such a great selection of fonts. The other sites I like to use is Creative Fabrica and also Design Bundle. I would love to hear in the chat below where you like to grab your fonts because there's so many great places that you can get fonts from. All right, so the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is now we're going to go ahead and prep the section of where we're going to be placing the letter. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to go ahead and grab my lint brush just to make sure that there's no lint there. All right, and with my power press, I have it already set. So for this one, I have it on the medium setting. So I'm just going to go ahead and lightly iron out the section here, the pocket. All right, and then from here, we're just going to go ahead and place the letter. And that's really great is, you know, when it comes to the placement, if you don't like it, I like the fact that when you're using HTV, you can go ahead and just kind of lift it up. So I kind of just want to make sure it's kind of centered somewhat. Okay, perfect. So I'm liking the placement here. I also wanted to mention too, I'm not sure if you have seen it yet, but one of the great new features in Cricut Design Space is now you can actually save your font. So I love that new feature that they have said. They did it a couple weeks ago, and it just makes it so easy now. When you have a font like this one that I really like, I can now save it. So before I used to kind of keep a book where I have it written down all the different fonts that I like, but now I can just go ahead and save it. So it's now everything is in my favorites. Makes it so much easier. So I'm just lightly pressing and just kind of moving around my power press, and it's already starting to lift. So I think it's good. All right, perfect. Oh my gosh, this looks so nice. All right, so I have 4 more to go. So let's do the other ones now. Here is the final look of the pajamas here with the initials on the pocket. I absolutely love how it came together. I think it's going to look so nice with all of us wearing this and taking some really cute pictures on my sister's wedding day. I hope you got some inspiration today. You know, if you know someone that's getting married and you want to give this as a present to them, or even a birthday present, Christmas present, I mean, the list goes on in regards to giving this as a gift for someone or even making one for yourself. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I will catch you on my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.